Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Beauty on the Go with Sherese O. So today, I'm going to show you how to do your own drawstring ponytail. Yes, you're going to make your own drawstring ponytail, and it's so simple and quick to do. There's one or two ways you can do it. You can do it doing a crochet, or you can do it sewing. So this technique I'm gonna do the sewing, and it's gonna be so quick and easy. You're gonna be like, this is it. So yeah, we can create our own drawstring ponytail, and we can create so many of them in so many different hair, braids, curly, straight, kinky, however you want to do it that suits you, you go for it. So Beauty on the Go with Sherese O, let's go. We're going to start out by using a flat drawstring net. We're going to use these combs to sew on the net. So this is the hair we're going to use. This is quick and simple, 3 bundles of hair. It's 18, 20, and 22 inches. Oh, and let's not forget about the needle and thread. We're also going to need T-pins to hold the net down as we sew on the net. And let's not forget about our mannequin heads. We need that.